The Carlinkit CarPlay ITV Box Plus offers a myriad of features tailored to meet the demands of modern drivers. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, this device boasts an impressive array of capabilities, making it a must-have accessory for any vehicle. At the heart of the Carlinkit CarPlay ITV Box Plus lies its powerful hardware specifications. With two variants available, one featuring 4GB of RAM and 64GB of ROM, and another offering 8GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM, users can choose the configuration that best suits their needs. Coupled with a Qualcomm 8-core processor, this device delivers lightning-fast performance, ensuring smooth and responsive operation at all times. Moreover, the Carlinkit CarPlay ITV Box Plus offers unparalleled flexibility, allowing users to switch between three different operating systems: Android 13.0, wireless CarPlay, and wireless Android with ease. This versatility ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices and preferences, catering to the diverse needs of drivers everywhere. In addition to its impressive software capabilities, the Carlinkit CarPlay ITV Box Plus features a user-friendly interface that adapts seamlessly to various car screen resolutions. Whether you're driving a compact sedan or a spacious SUV, the dashboard UI changes automatically, providing optimal visibility and ease of use. Furthermore, the device supports split-screen functionality and reduced screen playback for videos, enhancing the multitasking capabilities of drivers on the go. Whether you need to navigate while keeping an eye on your entertainment or monitor traffic updates alongside your favorite podcast, the Carlinkit CarPlay ITV Box Plus has you covered. The Carlinkit CarPlay ITV Box Plus redefines the concept of in-car entertainment and connectivity. With its robust hardware, seamless integration with popular platforms, and unparalleled flexibility, this device offers a truly immersive driving experience. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip or simply commuting to work, the Carlinkit CarPlay ITV Box Plus ensures that you stay connected, entertained, and informed every step of the way.